Chapter 20. The Outer Space. You must have seen lots of shining objects in the night sky. Among these, most of the tiny objects twinkle. These are called stars. A star is a huge ball of hot gases which gives out heat and light. The stars are not seen during the daytime because of the bright glare of the sun. The sun is also a star. It is the closest star to the earth. Hence, it appears to be very big. Some stars are even bigger than the sun, but they appear to be small because they are far away from us. Stars live for millions of years. Children looking at stars. Stars that are visible to us belong to the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a huge group of stars that contains billions of stars. There are more of such galaxies in the universe. This makes the total number of stars in the night sky almost uncountable. Does this give you an idea of the size of universe? The planets. There are some other shining objects in the night sky which do not twinkle. These are planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. A planet does not have heat and light of its own but reflects the closest star. This is why it shines in the night sky. The 8 planets that orbit the sun are, in the order from the sun, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earlier, Pluto was counted as the 9th planet, but now it is considered as a dwarf planet. The first 4 planets from the sun are rocky and solid planets. The next 4 planets are made of icy cold gases and are large in size. The 3 planets Mercury, Venus and Mars are often visible in the sky. You can easily locate Mercury and Venus in early mornings and late evenings. Mars can also be easily located. Saturn has a large number of gaseous rings surrounding it. Galaxy. There are millions of stars in space. A collection of stars form galaxy. Our sun belongs to the galaxy Milky Way or Akash Ganga. The Milky Way galaxy can be seen on a very clear night. If we look carefully at the sky, we might see part of this as a whitish band of stars stretching from one side to the other. Each galaxy is made up of numerous solar systems. Galaxies can be of different shapes: spiral, elliptical, or irregular. The Milky Way has a spiral shape. Satellites. Artificial satellites are man-made objects which revolve around the Earth. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Like the moon, artificial satellites reflect the sun's light and can be seen clearly in the night sky. The space age began in 1957 when the first man-made satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched into the orbit in space by Russian scientists. Since then, thousands of satellites have been sent into space. On 12 April 1961, Major Yuri Gagarin of Russia became the first man in the world to go into space. Valentina Tereshkova of Russia was the first woman to go into space. On 3 April 1984, squadron leader Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to go into space. Who was the first Indian woman to go into space? Aryabhat. Aryabhat was the first Indian satellite launched in 1975. Bhaskara, Rohini, Apple, Inset 1A, Inset 1B, 2C, Inset 2B, Inset 2C, Inset 3B, Inset 3C, Inset 3A and Inset 3E are some other Indian satellites. In April 2008, India launched Cartosat 2A, a remote satellite in space. The smaller bodies in space that revolve around the planets or stars are called satellites. The only natural satellite of the Earth is the Moon. The Moon is cold and dry and studded with craters. It has no atmosphere. A planet might have more than one satellite. The Sun, the planets revolving around the Sun, and their satellites form a huge family called the Solar System. Aryabhat satellite. Uses of artificial satellites. A rocket is used to launch an artificial satellite into space. Initially, artificial satellites were designed for scientific research and to give us valuable information about the atmosphere surrounding the Earth. Satellites which send messages from one country to another are used to send signals of television programs from one country to another. Weather satellites take pictures of the movements of clouds and help us forecast weather. They can give us early warnings of dangerous storms, cyclones building over the seas, forest fires, floods, or moving glaciers. Astronomers use satellites to take special measurements of our solar system, stars, and galaxies. Nowadays, satellites are used for navigation of all ships and airplanes. The Moon. The Moon is special because it is a natural satellite that revolves around the Earth. There is no life on the Moon. Since there is no atmosphere on the Moon, we cannot hear any sound there. It reflects the light of the Sun. The Moon's gravity is 1/6 of the gravity of the Earth. On the Moon, you can easily lift objects that would be too heavy for you to lift on Earth. There is no layer of atmosphere surrounding the Moon's surface. So, there is no protection from the strong rays of the Sun. It is too cold to support life. The Moon. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of atmosphere which absorbs a part of the strong heat of the Sun and allows only a part of it to reach the Earth during day. At night, it does not allow the heat of the Earth to escape. The atmosphere protects us from dangerous radiations and meteors which would otherwise have fallen on the Earth. The American spacecraft Apollo 11 landed successfully on the Moon on 21st July 1969. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin stepped on the Moon's surface, while the third astronaut, Michael Collins, remained in the spacecraft to circle the Moon and keep in touch with Earth. Space travelers. Space travelers like Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams have inspired young people to go into space. Astronauts first learned about space, which takes years of hard work. There are telescopes on Earth to give them a clear view of space. Nowadays, there are telescopes like the Hubble telescope that float in space. They give a better view and more detail. The Mission Control on Earth sends spacecraft with astronauts into space by means of rockets. Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams. In space stations, there are modules to work and live. Since there is no air in space, the astronauts have to wear space suits. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian, while Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to travel to space. They used space suits which create a small atmosphere around their bodies. These special suits enable them to float and move in space. Spacemen have to do different jobs. Some do experiments, some work inside the shuttle, some do repairs outside the spacecraft, some even fix satellites. The shuttles can be used again and again, but rocket can be used only once. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian-American astronaut and space shuttle mission specialist. She was born in Karnal, Haryana, India. She joined the NASA National Aeronautics and Space Administration in 1995. Her first space mission began on November 19, 1997. She was part of a 6-astronaut crew that flew the Space Shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. She was the second Indian to fly to space and the first Indian woman to do so. She was on board the Space Shuttle Columbia, which disintegrated on its way back to Earth on 1st February 2003. Value voice. Work hard, shine like a star in your subject at interest. Key words: space, region beyond the atmosphere. Satellite, a small body revolving around a planet in space. Navigation, the process or activity of accurately ascertaining one's position and planning and following a route. Tides, the periodic rising and falling of sea and ocean water. Artificial satellite, a man-made object equipped with scientific instrument sent into space from Earth or other planet. Cosmonaut, a Russian astronaut. Astronomer, an expert in or student of astronomy. Let's remember, a star is a huge ball of hot gases which gives out heat and light. A planet does not have heat and light of its own but reflects the closest star. Artificial satellites are man-made objects which revolve around the Earth. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian, while Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to travel to space.